lid for the Solvidor, and I thought that this white material was asbestos rope or something, but it turns out that it was in fact a plastic seal. I was a little bit concerned about chipping it out of there because I don't want asbestosis or mesothelioma. But I found this tube material that fits in there to make a tight seal. Hopefully that'll work. So I'm gonna continue to chip the plastic out of there and see what happens. Alright, I thought of something more. I don't know if this spigot seals or not. So I have some water. I got a little bit in there. It's probably about half a gallon. And it looks like it's holding water. Let's see how far open I have to crack the spigot before it starts draining. Pretty far, actually. So it does seal. Excellent. That means I won't lose any solvent while I'm cleaning parts. Alright, so I have the Solvidor here, and I got the plastic tube in the ring. Oh wow, that's going to make a nice tight fit. That's excellent. All right. I'm happy that worked out. Excellent. Thanks for watching this little video.